What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So TSLY's dividend announcement was huge. I absolutely love it. It was a little bit less than the previous one that's kind of anticipated. I'm going to discuss my dividend investing strategy. I'm going to reveal to you my dividend income on E-Trade. And I'm going to go over the trends a little bit. A lot of you guys are new, and this is a really hot monthly dividend ETF that everybody's talking about. I'm still going to go over the pros and cons of these guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this ETF out right now. So TSLY is a little bit down. That's the YieldMax TSLA Option Income Strategy ETF. Do not expect this to beat the S&P 500 and do not expect this to beat Tesla. This is for income purposes only. I'm going to say this one more time. This is for income purposes only. Okay? I absolutely love these guys. I'm going to go over these guys briefly because a lot of you guys are new to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to be very active on this YouTube channel because I'm done and I graduated, but I'm waiting for my final grade, so I will celebrate with you guys when I reveal my YouTube shorts, when I officially have the graduation set and I'm officially a graduate. So I went to the ceremony. I have like 5 or 6 grades that need to be graded, finalized, and I will be a graduate of my MSN and nurse practitioner school. So let's go over TSLA real quick. Tesla, the stock. So right here, just comparing Tesla to the S&P 500, it's done extremely well in the past 5 years. TSLY is not going to beat Tesla. So I'm just going to let you know that TSLY and TSLA, TSLA runs circles around them. And a lot of people have claimed this, and I do believe them, that if you do options trading with Tesla, you have a better chance of making a lot more passive income with options than YieldMax TSLY. But this is what I like about TSLY, and I'll explain this to you. Now, first, this is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling, writing call options on TSLA. TSLY pursues a strategy that aims to harvest compelling yields while retaining capped participation in the price gains of TSLA. Now, the fund's primary investment objective is to seek current income. This fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the share price of the common stock of Tesla, subject to a limit of potential investment gains. Now, one thing real quick I want to go over right here, the distribution rate is the annual yield an investor would receive if the most recently declared distribution, which includes option income, remain the same going forward. The distribution rate is calculated by multiplying an ETF's distribution per share by 12 and dividing the resulting amount of the ETF's most recent net asset value. The distribution rate represents a single distribution from the ETF and does not represent its total return. The 30-day SEC yield represents a net investment income, which excludes option income earned by such ETF over the 30-day period ended in 7/31/2023, expressed as an annual percentage rate based on ETF share price for the 30-day period. And don't forget, their expense ratio is 0.99%. So that is high. That is a high expense ratio. Exciting thing is their dividend and distribution per share is 83%. So it's still consistent in the 80s and 90s. The worst it was is 44 cents. So you have this window. Let's just say at best, I'll just say 75 cents, a distribution per share. And then you have the lowest, which is, let's just say, I'm going to say 50. Now, again, I'm not giving financial advice, for entertainment purposes only, disclaimer in the description, but it's that window. It's pretty nice. It's kind of like, how would I describe this? QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. You at least have a window. It's a lot more volatile. And I use this passive income, and I'm using it on E-Trade right now to reinvest right now with just TSLY, and then eventually use that to buy other option ETFs, which is like NVDY and other ones. So I still like this. I mean, it's not 106 like it was before. Another thing, don't forget, this is not Tesla shares. This is not shares of Tesla. So just be aware of that. That is not at all shares of Tesla. So you're going to see a lot of volatility with this. You're not going to see the price per share beat Tesla, which I want to go over. It's not going to beat the S&P. So this is strictly just for income. So I'm going to jump to E-Trade and just show you my most recent dividend distribution and how it looks right now with my E-Trade dividend portfolio. M1 Finance, I'm going to wait. That'll be a big day for me to reveal to you guys my dividend income. But let's jump to E-Trade right now. So recently, just with TSLY, this is my distribution. I started to load up on these guys a little bit more. So in May, I got $71. In June, I got $133. So you're seeing a little bit of the snowball effect, and obviously I'm buying more shares. So then here's the most recent one, 186, which I don't know why E-Trade did not reinvest, but I reinvested that into TSLY. So I'm going to show you now the estimated income on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So still, my estimated dividend income with TSLY is going to get me to $600. It appears to be $600 in dividends. So I'm going to make $155.92 this month, it appears, with TSLY. So that's going to be reinvested back into TSLY. And eventually I'm going to load up on this, and then I'm going to start going after KLIP, and I'm hoping KLIP goes on M1 Finance because I'm very excited about this one. Crane Shares, China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF. I just like the distribution. It's a high yield amount. It's been pretty consistent. So that's something that excites me right now. But once I go on M1 Finance, I'm going to show you how much I invested in TSLY and what my plans are. And actually, this money right here with TSLY, I may just throw it in M1 Finance. I haven't decided yet what I want to do, but I don't want to lose, pay a lot of capital gains. So that's what I plan on doing with TSLY. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. So let me know what you think. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I just wanted to announce the dividend distribution and what my plans are still with TSLY. I really like TSLY. I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I seek advice with a financial advisor. I may make decisions buying and selling stocks that that I've had in the past, that something drastically can happen. So I'm just letting you know you are taking a financial risk anytime you buy stocks. So make sure that you seek professional advice, that somebody that is licensed or certified. Again, my channel is for entertainment purposes only. I show you my dividend investing journey. I may try to squeeze another one in tonight because I'm free. You guys take care and have a good one.